Uba de habi. Uba no name ya. Fear no uba. No, oh, somebody here and our status.
And Sister Maggi. Guess who we have here? We have our Imo. So we went to shopping.
You know, don't want for the quality.
Get something?
Me too. Want to get something. Want to buy food. What I bought is not something. Mention the name of what I bought.
We bought some groceries and groceries and
Cross River.
Alright.
We came to buy groceries.
Groceries, what again? So many things.
And
we got so many things, guys.
What do you call the fridge?
This is Lidl.
But it's so, you can't do what's so romantic. I know, I'm a 5 days.
The ginger shot.
No, juice. Oh, atomo. We try atomo. Beside every successful man, there is 2 foolish women. Hey, Chineke, why ma? Okay, Sarah. What can you weapon card? Eh? I can't want to go to come and busy also. But I know it will be good. Come on, man. Why am I on the heart? I'm not to have no issue. Chinela, what is this? Yogurt?
That's Greek yogurt, yeah.
Greek?
Greek, yeah, yogurt. It's a natural yogurt. Natural yogurt. So the doctor said I should always take that.
Natural one? Doctor said take it always.
Always, yeah.
Doctor, he barely got babu money. I got who's Shania. This is Sister Lina. No, Sister Mo. Hello, everyone. Happy weekend. It was a successful show yesterday. So we came out to, I came out, I took my girls out, my nanny and my side chick. I brought them to store to buy 1 or 2 things. So
when you're done with your life video, come back home.
Look at what I bought for them. How do you chokopoha? So there's the man behind this movement, the man behind the bar. Ato Layanga. What's the name? Yeah, that's the man behind the bar. Mr. Justice. Yeah. Hello. Thank you. Hello. Sir? Today we're my movie premiere yesterday.
Camberwell here.
Wow. Maggi Anekene.
Oh, Maggi.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm welcome.
Thank you.
Wow.
I want to get a but only I got one name, Mum. Can control now. Now, why? Yeah. Why? Can't done near Motramaladi. Yes, also, so popular usation in any Daniel machine. Come by Brasso, she can eat a onye can everywhere. Like me now, you're not one flush in a chest. When you can't do London, I know flush that. One day, woman, you're not. My room, but that, my room, you're not. My cover on Bali. In the UK. I look at it. Bali well. So I don't remember. I not be a popular be south. I'm not be there till August first week. I'm gala. Okay. I can't number to my lamb. I know. I cannot like on but I can. I want to show again in Manchester on Saturday 7th, 14th. I make what then. Maybe 19th. Mba no kai. Mpaka wonye dibia. Na won papa maka. Gomro gom na ho ofom na ho ofo. Se wonye na ho. Emeche yi ga se ga ho ezale ko so won se gebe. Okay, sorry. Sorry please. Sorry. Oh. Emeche yi ga se ga ho ezale. Oh. Ai ka ba lo dobro na ochi. Oh, ochi yo. As a catching a kill, I know Jake and man, no boy. Yeah, Maggi. Okay, it's a more walk to have it. Cheap. Oh, me. Cheap. Yeah. Maggi and I have a cheap too. Photo case, a rapra. Okay. Yeah. Kennedy. Yeah, I do the ganga. Oh, young one night, I make a show. Okay. Kennedy won't come. Oh, yes. Oh, I want us we get it. Okay. Okay. I'm in the middle of two dangerous women. Accumulated white. For the photosynthesis. They don't want the chicken on the chicano jecule. Oh, Morania no pardon. No, Anya jecule go. Oh, and I hope Lapiam. After he sent for me. Yeah, I took my side cheek out. This is my side cheek. Side chicken. I give buri and abadi. I will yes too. The father mine. I don't go back in the Ghana. It's a good mamma. The way I'm going here more. Legacy, see you. Let me phone. I'm going here. Hey, oh yeah, there will I'm with Dota. Obodo Kadibe ka ihe owu 12 o'clock in the morning. Mana ọrụ side anyị na I'm sure change chala. Legacy anọ he gara na Gaza legacy lekwe ihe wu the main legacy here. This is the main legacy. Legacy can go fake. Fake legacy. Legacy of your father have not been kept. Here is our legacy. Chidera lekwe be bro preponot. Onye ruru na go chi agbalikwara aru ha dia. Mage tapra. Yo tali oyibo. Igba ndị eze. Ihe ja pe igba. This is the uncle here. Legacy ke wono uncle here. She I bra side no ndike ga bra ai gabage ge ko arashi. Le kif ni ni na izuko. I'll tell you what. Hey Jesus. Oh yeah, Biawala. I'm so what I'm using so shirt. Oh, Gia, come gaggy with Gio. I got you. I am game, who grab a jail. I'm more too much of standing. Okay, bed and needing. I don't sleep on ordinary distance.
Like in the view, I can't just listen. The way you're doing.
Wow, the thing is fine. So, say you will have on my phone. I can them more for it. Weather is hot. Oh, really? But it's fine.
Even Sister Maggi,
oh, Maggi's bulb we have showed. Maggi bulb. Your craving showed.
It's very nice. I like it.
So snap on one person. Snap on some person. Okay. Now I want my leg to get big to be shown. See my leg. Uh-huh. Woo! Woo! Hey! Jesus! Jesus! Jehovah! I keep wondering, yeah, but then I want some people they are here, be took up to now. What do you mean?
Exactly.
All depends if they have an ammonia, but then. Yeah, the movie with Adakere, I think Mr. Okoro is the title of the movie. As soon as I am back, I can upload because the editor just finished because we're trying to bring it out. At least I wanted the best we can, the best of editing and all the rest. Sorry. You know, so please keep anticipating Mr. Okoro. Mr. Okoro is coming your way soon. Son, oh, English I talk, son. I'm gonna get so soon. Oh, son, oh my God. Mr. Okoro is coming soon. Maggie, please don't talk in my camera. I'm talking to people. You can't see I'm doing live.
You're talking to which people?
Comport. Look, thousands of people not here. Eh? You know, as matter attack akuna.
You want to buy shit before?
You know,
maybe she put them.
Hey, let them saw no now. I'm
not going to keep hiding it. Let me shoot them.
I am go na 40. Ebu have the hunger come way. Cut up Kuranga. Correct, no, just to turn around. I know, because me, you look quite be a bitch. Monocha, early in the morning before I got church. Early morning, yeah. I will truck. Hostess of trek will truck. The couldn't die each and no más shit about no coat, no unina. Oh, Yana Hatoha. This is unabhorrible.
Won't be getting Guinness. I think I'm Guinness.
Guinness? Only actually.
I call that one.
Hey, more Appalachia. So long till alcohol in Shisha, much look name. Medicinal, Araga, Yara, I know home yam new Yara, my phone being alcohol. Nobody I got program was I telling he with drag him sign your mouth, and name she. And sometimes people will see me and see that I'm not normal. I'm on a health I am bro. Shima. I can't. Shimu Shatum. Oh, look what Croydon. Yeah, guys, I know I'm not Croydon. Oh, I know I'm not Croydon. Croydon. So guys, I want to say a very big thank you to all of you who helped in support or who supported us in and do lines you can have that much baby. Hey, auntie again. Auntie. Oh my goodness. When you may boy your bomb, when you're on a band, when you're on the carpenter creek, whoever that constructed your own ballet so much. Everyday interior. Ah, my interior like no. Haro ha caro. Haro yopula haro. Uzo cheka hana gano tali. O kambano chere and them do honey agachine wo. Okote ihe dera are wo nwe honey. Agachine nwe honey well nwa yan kuku ebupula ya akwa. Eko nya usa mu kwa akwa agachine ikuku anara ni ogodo gewe yo chi oge. I wish on ala kam no me video enyu wa. Ikuku yo ogodo te ihe muru ugbo anya ma pokola.
Luna house. Everyone immigration the head of it.
For those of you who supported our event yesterday, we want to say a very big thank you to you. It was a huge success. I never believed that a number of people like that would turn out for me. I say, who am I? Who are we? You know, or people came out. And my joy or my greatest happiness is that everybody that came went home happy. You need to see, and they stayed, even though we started very late. We started showing the movie very late. They stayed. They exercised patience. They waited until, you know, it was no, oh come on, I don't even know how to say this. Or you know, tunnel. Croydon tunnel. Tunnel Croydon. Because they bike is you want to have bike. Are we connecting? Oh. Yeah, because it doesn't anya. It's like I'm gonna come on, go. My chicken. What gecko? You matching. Come on, Gary, you tell my Jew, big and nice. I got you get no key, Abraham. Paro. Baby. Hello, Deru. Deru. Asimonia no chigo balleri o. ABJ interior. Onu wa won egweji. Ni obula. Akono ha maka. Ni be ti dera for ji say yoyi. Nagala na gajon ti tan ihe kwuru na asabata onye nke m hụrụ ihe ọ kwara taa kwara mkpụrụ obi ya ọfọ m ya dọrọ ara ya dodo ya were ara ya mere ji ya mere break pad were ọfọ m ya were nne ọkwa competition because ihe a ndị Lagos mere mbọsị ka emekwu ya ebe onye ọbụla akwagidere enwe amamihe ihe mọmi rita yi aghọtabeghị m chọrọ ide hey ịkwakwa life ka nnọ ka ị mara ihe ị ga-ekwukwe nke ọ gara ihe defend nwe ma ọbịa ọgụ ma mọmi na like ijele ya ijele mmanwụ otu nke ya kugodo ahụbeghị m onye nke ya dịka odo from down but nke ọ nọgodo ọdụ dịtị ndị ka mma agha enwere sọd a na Goliath jiri gbuo Jezebel na akwụkwọ living tikozi ahụ akwụkwọ eji ala living ee rite edochie nne m I saw the clothes ndị onye ọbụla na-agafe ya n'azụ ọ nọ nnọọ life saa nne m ama ndị tele eriela ego na week a ihe akwara sofu onye ka mma nke ya dịka buru ya nnọọ were baro kwaga ya ụlọ Kpanam river kwalaga ya de sofu onye m fugoro nke ya na-amarọ mma mana every other person ma ọ na-awakwasị ahịa ụfọdụ na-ebu ụzọ buru ya gaa photoshoot weeks before the wedding so that they will not show nke esere naturally or nke fa they have time for all these things but that's why ha na-eji anaghị anọdụ na marriage because when you have time to do all these unnecessary things time ị ga-eji wee mee things ga-abara family uru akwadochi ebu ụzọ ga mee makeup kpọrọ onye real kpụrụ onye ihe aga kwụ ụgwọ weta shoulder pad onye makeup onye dress abịa soro gị ha na-ebugharị akpọ gị ahụ enwedị na onye ọzọ Ruby lụrụ di mana ndị kara Ruby spend ego na marriage a sọsọ ka ha wee bịa wedding ka nkụ Chineke nna azọmanyị no but for real Ruby was looking so take away today. The makeup artist did a great job. I love it. I was thinking she's going to look like, but today she looked natural. The makeup was so natural. There was no much nkwaju, I was so happy when Floriana dear. May God bless their union. Let's see how they look at Igbo Jaiwa. Karaga Goroshi. Kwe mwogo ogo mga gama aga kana siya no na zapa jege kwe akankem kama lo mapiaga no akam na akozi kwa ka mmadụ ndị be anyị ka akọpụ agwọ m congratulations sister thank God Almighty for perfection yes so thank you big brother for ebe a dịka Lekki UK Kawaja. Kesa do Lekki. Okay. Okay, by no Waja, but big man area. Why had you want her shop and when you buy any good thing because it's a big man. All the other side I know before. When you look at the Bromley. Yeah, Bromley. Yes, Bromley. I told you it wasn't here. It was Bromley. That place. Eba I'm psychiatry. Eba no Wagara. Oh, family care. Le boga. Le kunga hani le hata. I'm so okuna. Just hello. How are you? Are you good? Hello. Oh yeah. Jamaica. No wonder Kenya Buhanishi. Oh.
All sides of Ghana for Camberwell,
Winch,
yeah.
When you can over let's take a land there with tourists. It's in the region, the Umbre Bonnie, they will call. Thank you.
One of my body not take on
Check. You can never see. No coincidence. It's more dangerous than
Igbo. Boy. Chiwando.
Thank you so much. Anayo. Thank you all for your support. All of you that were sharing the program flyers, making sure the notice gets to everyone. I appreciate you so much. I thank you for all you've done. Thank you for coming out to support me. Thank you for gracing the occasion last night. In fact, it was a huge success. It was fun. You know, from 7 p.m. till 2 a.m. people are still in the hall dancing. Nobody want to go. It was, oh, come on. I felt, yeah, I felt like I was on top of the world. You know, you people really put me on top of the world. I am so grateful to God, and I'm grateful to all of you. No, but it's fine. You've always been there. Your health was more important than everything. Oh, so many people left Nigeria. So many of our brothers. I'm still gonna say this again when I'm more relaxed. So many people, Nderi official, no Nderi, serving rituals. Nderi left Nigeria just to come and support me. I was like, what have I done to deserve this? And he made a comment. He said, I was an advice. You gave me an advice there when I was nobody. There was something you told me, you encouraged me, and today you can see where I am. I was like, wow. I just said the word. I just advised you, and I didn't give you money. I didn't buy you a house. But he said no. That advice meant a lot for him. And Iken Jaba too, one of our honorable member all the way from Lagos. Iken Jaba. I miss his father's burial and something.